Okay, so our friends over at Google, or Alphabet Incorporated, are on the jazz again, adding things to Windows that we don't really want and never actually asked for. If it's not bad enough that we've got AI mode here in the search, we've also got Ask Gemini at the top, we've also got AI mode here, literally a few pixels apart. So 1, 2, 3 Nagwares of using AI. It's getting a little bit much. And there is a new entry to the table. Let's minimize Chrome. So Chrome is effectively not running at the moment, or it's minimized. If we go down to the system tray, show hidden icons, and lo and behold, we've got something new in the system tray. Toggle Gemini in Chrome. Now, I do not recall asking for this to be added to my system tray. I didn't really want it, and I still don't. So what is all this about? Now, this has been added in the latest version of Chrome, which I believe from memory is version 150.0.7871, I believe. What does this actually do? So it toggles Chrome to have Gemini in the sidebar if you want it or not. So right click, got the option to toggle Gemini in Chrome, and there it just runs as a little box here if you want to, or if you've got the browser open, it will be in the browser. Oh dear, I don't want that. Right click again, you can customize the keyboard shortcut. The default is Alt and G, I believe. And you've got settings. So let's go to customize keyboard shortcut because that'll bring up the settings anyway. Oh, and look, use Alt and G to open Gemini in Chrome. Ask Gemini. Got it. I don't want it, but I've got it. So if you don't want this stuff as part of your Chrome experience, if you're someone who has to use Chrome for certain add-ons, or some things just work in Chrome that don't in other browsers such as Safari, Opera, etc., Brave, what you can do, go to the three dots, open up your settings, which is where we are now, or just go into Chrome settings, head over to the side, and we've got AI innovations, well named. In the preferences, you've got the option to show Gemini at the top of the browser, which is there. We did a video on getting rid of that the other day. So get rid of that. It's gone. The next one is show Gemini in Chrome in the system tray and turn on the keyboard shortcut. Now, obviously, if you don't want this, just remove it. Just toggle this off. That way it will be gone. And I would say, realistically, if you're someone who's not particularly keen on AI stuff, in AI preferences here, or AI innovations, just turn all this stuff off. And obviously, if there's an update, they may override some of these settings. Personally, I would say just turn all this off. If we go down to the system bar, or system tray, I should say rather, you can see it is now gone. So it is no longer bugging us there. And also we've lost some of the AI integration there. So if we go back to the home page, we've still got AI mode here. We've shown videos on how to get rid of that if you want to, and AI mode here if you want to get rid of that as well. I'm not too bothered. Sometimes it can actually be useful for asking some questions which are just very laborious to try and answer. Sometimes it's easier to use AI. I know it doesn't always get it right, but that's a story for another day. So anyway, that is how to remove those elements from Chrome. Hopefully this video has been useful. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe. And if you do that, click on all notifications. That way you should be notified of future video releases. I think that's going to wrap this up. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Have a great day.